Yes. So let's start today's session on fear of judgment. All right. So if someone wants to do something in life, take some action in life, one of the greatest fears for them is fear of being judged by others, fear of being criticized by others. देखो, what is judgment? What is the meaning of judgment? Judgment is that you are concerned about other people's opinion about you, that what will they think about you, what will they feel about you, how they will perceive you, whether you will be high in their mindset or whether you will be low in their mindset, whether they will laugh upon you or whether they will praise you and clap for you. So that is called fear of judgment, when you are concerned about other people's opinion about you. Now, what do you think? I want everyone to think an answer, and don't say all, because all is a very diplomatic answer. I generally don't like diplomatic because then that defeats the purpose. According to you, which kind of people are more concerned about fear of judgment? Is it the middle level, middle class people? They are more concerned, or is it the high class people, high income group people? They are more concerned. Middle income group people are more concerned, or high income group people are more concerned about fear of failure, fear of being judged, fear of being criticized? Middle income or high income, what do you feel? And guys, if possible, switch on your cameras के साथ it is more fun यार. When the camera is not on ना, fun नहीं होता, मजा नहीं आता, है ना? Black faces, black screen, it's not fun actually. All right, everyone is saying middle income, and you're absolutely right. Now let me ask you a question. They are afraid of judgment because they are middle income, or they are middle income because they are afraid of being judged? What do you feel? Are you able to understand? वो middle income इसलिए है because they are afraid of being judged, or because they are middle income that's why they are afraid of being judged? What do you feel? What do you feel? They are afraid, hence they are middle income. Always remember that. Maximum cases, we are not talking about outliers, we are not talking about exceptions here. Maximum people, they are middle income because उनको डर लगता है, not because they are middle income that's why they are afraid. उसका कोई correlation नहीं, there is nothing about this. So first of all, understand, this fear of being judged is directly affecting your bank account. This fear of being judged is directly affecting your lifestyle. This fear that you have about other people's opinion, this is directly affecting your bank balance, your future lifestyle, your kids, their future, your family, how much you can travel, how much you can live your life, how much you can express, how much you can experience. So, first, you are afraid in your own mind about them. Second, you are not able to earn and grow in your life career also. Third, you will not be able to do and follow your passions also. There is so much filled inside of you that you want to express out. है ना? Raise your hands, all of you. How many of you have so much filled inside of you that you just want to empty in front of others? You want to sing songs, you want to dance, you want to speak, you want to make videos, make movies, whatever. कितना कुछ भरा हुआ है. But you are afraid of what Akash will say, what Sudha will say, what Chanda will say, what Padmaja will say, what Kapil will say. इसकी वजह से कुछ नहीं कर रहे आप उस लेवल पे जिस लेवल पे यू कैन डू. यू आर रिस्ट्रेनिंग योर सेल्फ, एंड दैट इज जस्ट वीकनेस ऑफ योर माइंड, दैट्स इट. रियलिटी नहीं है वो, दैट्स नॉट द रियलिटी. बिकॉज यू नो वाई दैट्स नॉट द रियलिटी? बिकॉज दोज पीपल हु आर जजिंग ना, दे आर ऑल्सो अफ्रेड. वो भी तो डर रहे हैं यार. आप मुझे बता दो, इफ यू विल मेक अ वीडियो, डू यू थिंक शाहरुख खान विल जज यू? शाहरुख खान जज करेगा कभी आपको? डू यू थिंक विराट कोहली विल जज यू? डू यू थिंक मुकेश अंबानी विल जज यू? है ना? वो दोस टीनी मीनी अनएम्प्लॉयड काइंड ऑफ पीपल, और ट्रोल्स, और जिनकी मम्मी पापा की सैलरी भी 10-20 thousand, वी आर नॉट जजिंग एनीवन हियर, बट 10-20-30 thousand है, वही बंदे बच्चे जज करेंगे आपको, वही कुछ नेगेटिव कमेंट कर देंगे, ऐड के नीचे कुछ लिख देंगे, ऑल दोज पीपल विल बी जजिंग यू. Classy people will never judge you. They will never judge you. When someone's ad come on my Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, now I never judge them. In my mind, I'm praising them. I'm thinking, wow, yaar, हिम्मत करी बंदे ने. That person has showed courage. कौन जज करता है? Who judges when an ad comes? People who themselves are not able to do. If they are also running their own ads, na, they will never judge anyone else. आप मेरे से लिखवा लो, I can write it on a blank piece of paper, stamp paper. वो कभी जज नहीं करेंगे. So you are afraid of not judgment of others. You are afraid of judgment of others, of people who doesn't matter in our life, who are much way below our ideal self that we want to become. उनके हम लोग जजमेंट से डरते हैं, जिनकी तरह हम बनना भी नहीं चाहते. We don't want to become like them. So just imagine, we are getting afraid of judgment of whom? People who don't matter much in our life, most of the people. So it's a choice. Personally, I was afraid of judgment a lot, but then I thought about one thing, that with time this judgment will not go, this fear will increase with time. If I'll not overcome that today, now, then what will happen when I'll grow further 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line? This fear is going to increase in my life. New people will come in the market. Market will become tougher. More competition will come. More technology will come. I will be more likely to be a failure 5 years, 10 years down the line if I start today. I can manage still things better. So I thought, यार ये तो निकालना पड़ेगा. So I tapped upon myself and I rigorously did that and I removed that judgment. Now, will people still judge me? Answer is yes, 100%. But I don't care. I don't care. करो जज. मेरे को तो चाहिए 1 करोड़ लोग जज करें इंडिया में, कम से कम जानेंगे तो सही. They will know me at least. Seriously. So, chalo, or let's take more examples. Do you think people judge Virat Kohli? क्या लगता है आपको? विराट कोहली को जज करते हैं? Yes or no? He is one of the finest cricketers ever. People judge Virat Kohli. धोनी, रोहित शर्मा, कि कैसा मोटा है, ओवरवेट है, he doesn't look like a cricketer, he looks like an accountant. सोचो, people are saying to the captain of Indian cricket team, who is such a great performer in cricket, such a humble person, he will never abuse you, he will never shout on you, such a gentle human being, उसको जज कर रहे हैं लोग. तो बताओ, should रोहित शर्मा today take a retirement लेना चाहिए रोहित शर्मा को? Why? Because someone sitting in a small village of Gujarat or Maharashtra or Delhi, somewhere, judged Rohit Sharma. Retirement ले ले? Should Mukesh Ambani take a retirement? Because someone out there is judging Mukesh Ambani. क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? You have to overcome these things. These are weakness of minds. ये weakness है mind की. ये character की weakness है. This is not strength. This is weakness of mind. Imagine करो 80 years old. Someone asking you, why couldn't you do it in life? Oh, because I was afraid of judgment. I thought they will judge me. Right? So, first of all, are you ready to overcome this weakness of mind today? Are you ready, all of you? Ready हैं हम लोग to overcome this judgment? पक्का? ठीक है? Now, when are we more afraid of judgment? When are we more afraid of judgment? When we have to take some action. So, fear of judgment comes when you have to do something. For example, you want to make a YouTube video. or you want to make a video on Facebook, or you want to post some content on Instagram, or you want to write something on LinkedIn, or maybe you want to produce some content on some other platform, or probably you want to start a bakery shop, or you want to start a boutique, or you want to start any business. तो जब आप आउटर वर्ल्ड को रीच आउट करते हो ना, तो जजमेंट का ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी होता है. इफ यू आर मेकिंग फूड फॉर योर ओन फैमिली, जनरली उसमें फियर ऑफ जजमेंट नहीं आएगा. फॉर normal day to day activities, fear of judgment doesn't come. Fear of judgment always comes when you have to go out to the outer people. I'll give you another example. When we go and apply for new job also, fear of judgment comes. That if I'll go for this job, when I'll go for my interview, will they judge me on my skill? Will they judge me on my face? Will they judge me on my body type? Will they judge me on my communication skills? Will they judge me on my CV? So judgment is always when we are reaching out to the external world. When we first started our ads 6-7 years back, I was really afraid that people will say कि यार ये क्या सिखाएगा हमें? What will he teach us? I was petrified, I was terrified, I was afraid. But then I learned one concept, that the fear is also there, but the treasure is also there. फियर भी वही है, ट्रेजर भी वही है. तो अगर आप फियर को अवॉइड कर रहे हो, तो आप ट्रेजर को भी अवॉइड कर रहे हो. दैट्स द वर्स्ट थिंग. इमेजिन if I'll say, do you want treasure, you will say yes, है ना? Do you want treasure? How many of you want treasure? Do you want name, fame, respect, love, money? Do you want to follow your passion? Do you want to become something valuable in this world? You will say yes, Akash, 100%. I will give everything for it. But for that now, judgment may come of other people. वहां पर जजमेंट आती है. तो अब आपको देखना है कि जजमेंट को इनसेंसिटिव बना दें अपने लिए. कैन वी बी इनसेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स जजमेंट एंड क्लेम दैट ट्रेजर, और should we be really judge sensitive towards that judgment and avoid that treasure for life? Because I'm telling you, 2025 is going on. I can write down on a piece of paper for you. 2026 maybe also it will not go 100%. It will still be there. 2030 maybe it will be there. So it will not go on its own. You will have to work towards it. You will have to strengthen your mind. You will have to strengthen your skin. Maximum middle class people, they have very very thin skin. बहुत thin skin होता है. उनको कोई कुछ बोल देता है, एकदम हर्ट हो जाते हैं, एकदम डिप्रेशन में आ जाते हैं, एकदम एंग्जाइटी आ जाता है, एकदम हर्ट हो जाता है दिल. ऐसे तो आप बिजनेस नहीं बना सकते. ऐसे तो आप लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. बहुत कम कर सकते हो. जितना आपको पोटेंशियल है, मे बी 5-10% तो कर लोगे, उससे बियॉन्ड नहीं जा सकते. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गो बिग इन लाइफ, दिस स्किन नीड्स टू बिकम थिक. थिक मतलब कि let let people say, let them have their opinions. It's okay. And the best thing about opinions, can I tell you, they keep on changing every day based on mood. अभी मेगा जी बोलेंगे आकाश बहुत बुरा इंसान है. The example, मेगा जी will say आकाश is a bad boy, bad person. I'll be super sweet to मेगा जी. I'll do something for her. Tomorrow she'll say आकाश is a good person. So मतलब मैंने तो अपनी लाइफ खराब कर ली ना because of people's judgment. So it will keep on changing. Today she will say I'm a bad person. Tomorrow she'll have a great day. She'll have a great time. Something valuable will happen. She'll say no, Akash is also good. So her opinion or my opinion or anyone's opinion doesn't matter, and it is not consistent. So just imagine, we are afraid of inconsistent opinions based on mood of other people. आज डिप्रेस्ड बैठे हैं घर में तो सब गधे हैं. एवरीवन इज अ डोंकी. कल को कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा, एवरीवन इज अ किंग. and we are destroying our life because of their judgment. So they are not wrong, we are wrong. Today you have to decide whether you want to be part of masses or you want to be part of classes. मासेस जो होते हैं वो ओपिनियन पास करते हैं, वो दूसरों को गंदी निगाहों से देखते हैं. क्लासेस जो होते हैं वो दे डोंट केयर, दे जस्ट ग्रो, they just do what they are meant to do. That is classes. So tomorrow when you have family, tomorrow when you are uh, telling your younger ones, you will also be telling them, beta, don't care about what the world says. चले जाओ अपनी अपने रास्ते पे. Follow your goals, follow your dreams. Do good for the world, but don't think about other people. Because I'm telling you, those people are not going to feed your family. They are not going to fulfill your dreams. वो अपने ही नहीं fulfill कर सकते, आपके तो बाद में करेंगे. They will not be able to fulfill their own goals, their own dreams, let alone your dreams. कोई किसी के dreams fulfill करता है क्या? If I today don't take action, will you guys come and fulfill my dreams? Never. I will have to do for myself. You will have to do for yourself. Together we can do by strengthening ourselves together, but each person to himself, herself. So first of all, in your notebook, if you're carrying a notebook, write down what are one or two things you would do in your life if fear of judgment are not there. If fear of judgment is not there in your life, what are one or two things that you are going to start doing from today tomorrow? What are those things that you are going to start from your life? Some people may say, I may approach more customers, I may network with more people, I may make more friends, I may start my business, I may start my marketing, may start my content creation, I may start my passion. So, what is it, one or two things that you would do? Write it down in your notes, please. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अगर आज फियर ऑफ जजमेंट हट जाए तो एक या दो एक्टिविटीज व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू? I will put the advertisement of my new business on my social media account. I would invest without fear. I would make videos. I will write LinkedIn. I will trust my intuition. I will dance freely, talk in public confidently. Wonderful. Awesome. So write down all of you. कि क्या एक दो चीजें करोगे अपनी लाइफ? Public speaking, start my business, drive car, start my business, quit my present job. What are you going to do? Everyone written? I will try to fulfill my dream of learning dancing. I will trust myself. I will start my work. I will start my coaching on a large scale. I will start writing, record videos, and post on social media. कितना कुछ lose कर रहे हो on a daily basis. Just feel. What are you guys losing on a daily basis? Just think about it. Of few Tinnu Minnu's opinions. Imagine karo. They are really Tinnu Minnu that you are thinking about. उनकी ओपिनियन की वजह से यू आर स्टॉपिंग योर सेल्फ. सो ऑल ऑफ यू, लेट्स स्टार्ट टैपिंग. ठीक है, लेट्स टैप एंड लेट्स वर्क अपॉन दिस थिंग. रेडी ऑल ऑफ यू? सो सिट स्ट्रेट. लेट्स स्टार्ट टैपिंग. Karate chop. Even though I have this fear of judgment of what others will say and think about me, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I have this fear of judgment, will they like me? Will they like my work? Will they pass opinions on me? I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I don't want to be disliked by people, I don't want people to make fun of me. I don't want them to criticize me. I don't want them to laugh upon me. That really gets me into my shell and I start procrastinating. I still choose to love and accept myself. Eyebrow point, all of you. This fear of judgment, this fear of criticism, what other people will think about me, what other people will say about me, what they will pass an opinion about me. What if they pass a negative opinion about me? What if they think I'm not good enough? What if they think I'm wasting just my time? What if they think I'm a fool? What if they think that why am I wasting their time? I'm always worried about their opinions. I don't want to, but that is how my mind has been created. People judge, people pass judgments, but they pass judgments for prime ministers also. They pass judgment for big leaders. They will pass judgment on the prime minister, president of US also. They will pass judgment on anyone and everyone. And they will pass judgment on me also. Those people who are successful, they are thick skinned. They don't care much about other people's opinion. That is the reason they can contest elections. That is the reason they can promote their movies. That is the reason they can build businesses. That is the reason they can promote their business, their products. That is the reason they can dance, they can act. They are trolled, they are made fun of, but still they don't stop. Still they do it. And that is the reason they are aspirational also for people. People want to become like them. Still, judgment is coming from left and right. But aspiration is also coming that I want to become like them. This fear of judgment, it is just psychology. It is just energy stuck inside of me. And today I'm open to releasing this from my life because it is directly affecting my bank account today. It is directly affecting my life today. It is directly affecting my dreams today. It is directly making me weaker every day. It is making me sad every day. I'm angry. I'm hurt. I'm not doing things as per my potential because I am afraid what people will say. And they will not stop. They will keep on saying till I'm there. Then their children will come. Their grandchildren will come. This is a never ending battle that I'm fighting. I'm waiting one day they will stop. And they will never stop. I will stop. My breath will stop. My life will stop. My soul will go from this planet, but they will not stop. So now I have two options left. One option is I will keep on getting worried what other people will say. I will sabotage my money. I will sabotage my dreams. I will sabotage my aspirations. I will sabotage my goals. And I will just be sad and angry and depressed and frustrated. Or, or from today onwards, I don't care if they judge me or not. In fact, it's a good thing. Judge me. It will make me stronger. Judge me more. I want lakhs of people to judge me from today. I want crores of people to judge me. The more you judge me, the more I grow. My intention is good. Value I will provide. My products will be A1, but I don't care about your judgment anymore. I will walk like an elephant. I will walk like a lion. I will walk like a free person who is free from all these low level criticisms and judgment of the masses. I was also a judgmental person earlier. I will not lie, I also used to judge others. I also used to see their faces, their nose. I used to see their body structure. I used to take out faults in their life. But that was weakness of my own mind also. So from today, I stopped judging others. And from today, I stop caring whether others judge me or not. In fact, I want them to judge me. The more they judge me, the more I grow. If no one is judging me, then I'm afraid. If no one is criticizing me, then I'm afraid. That means I'm not reaching out to enough people. So let the judgment start from today. Let the growth journey start from today. Let my life, let my aspirations start from today. Let me start flying from today. I will now become richer. I will now become more free. I will live more now. From today onwards, I grow more now. And this is what I always wanted. And this is what I will do. Yes, they will judge me. But one day, they will realize that they just wasted their own energy over nothing. And I completely accept myself and love myself today. All of you, relax. Close your eyes if they were open. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. All of you, take a deep breath. Breathe in and release. Open your eyes gently. Open your eyes. Wonderful. Clap for yourself, first of all. Clap for yourself. Were you able to hear me? Someone is writing my video was frozen. Don't judge me, but tell me, were you able to hear me? ठीक है. If you were able to hear me, that's good enough. Yes. Hearing काफी है. Yes. My video got stuck. Yes. You were able to hear ना? वो काफी है. ठीक है. Video was frozen. Perfect. So now, all of you, write down one or two things that were stopping you. Oh, sorry, that you would like to do now. That you would like to do now. One or two things that you would like to do now. One or two things that you would like to do now. क्या करोगे अब? Now that you are working on your mindset, now that you're working on your strength of your mindset, now that you will become less sensitive to what other people's opinions are, what are those one or two things you are going to do? Are you going to change your job? Are you going to start your business? Are you going to advertise? Are you going to market? Are you going to promote yourself? Are you going to promote your products? Are you going to build your brand? Are you going to increase your income? What is it that you're going to do now? Care a damn for others who judge. Ads in Instagram. Take action to start my business. Come out of comfort zone. Walking. I will reach out on LinkedIn to all my colleagues for consulting. I will start making stronger team. Like to make videos. I will start my e-com business, start marketing every day. Not anyone puncher me anymore. Reach out to as many people as possible. Take action and launch courses soon. Advertise and promote myself. Promote EFT. Income will increase now. Promote myself. Very good. Deliver webinar. Make more sale. Run my ads. I'm going to start training people to stop judging themselves. Okay, I'm going to make a course out of it. Wonderful. I will start making my videos. I will start making videos. My podcast will start now. Wonderful. And so many things people have written. अब आप सोचो, अगर आपने ये कर डाला, इमेजिन करके देखो यार, how much it is going to impact the world beautifully. If today I would be sitting and I would be with my video off and thinking, overthinking, तो आप सोचो, we wouldn't be sitting here. Because I took courage and I said, I don't care what other people will say. I will teach them. I will do whatever it takes. तो मैं आज बैठा हूं ना, we are working on something productive. नहीं तो अभी हम सब लोग बिग बॉस देख रहे होते और whatever. तो क्या बेटर है for the economy, for the world, for your personal life, for your professional life, that I become courageous. So what is better for your life that today you become courageous? तो आज से courageous होना है. Now let's judge one person. Let's focus on one person and let's judge them. किसको जज करें? मधुसूदन पटेल. मधुसूदन को बहुत ज्यादा जज करो. ऑल ऑफ यू लुक एट मधुसूदन पटेल जी. मधुसूदन जी, रेज योर हैंड. रेज योर हैंड सर. हाँ, लेट्स जज मधुसूदन जी. एक बार करके देखो जज. सब लोग देखो उनकी तरफ. मधुसूदन जी, everyone is judging you. But if you'll notice, everyone is looking at you now. Everyone, you have everyone's attention. पहले कोई नहीं देख रहा था, शायद नोटिस नहीं कर रहा था. अब आपको जज कर रहे हैं पर उस बहाने देख रहे हैं. आपका प्रमोशन हो रहा है. Hundreds of people have seen you right now. तो आप बताओ, you should hide yourself? No. Reach out. Don't worry. Don't worry. कभी मत सोचो कैसे लगते हो, कैसे नहीं लगते. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कैसे भी लगो. And let me tell you, today that person doesn't look that good. Any one person, same person, if they will start growing now, that person will look attractive. How many of you have seen that? Attraction comes with growth. Attraction comes with money. Attraction comes when you are professionally, financially, professionally, in your mind you are growing. जो लोग ग्रोथ पे चले जाते हैं उनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता यार कैसा लग रहा हूं, क्या लग रहा हूं. तो आज से चले जाओ. यस, जाओगे या रुकोगे? करोगे? So everyone is going to take a lot of action with what scares them throughout this week. Make videos, post your content, make sales, whatever it takes. Judgment वाले काम करना start करो आज से. The more I do that work which makes me more vulnerable to judgment, the more I grow. I'm telling you. जितना मैं अवॉइड करता हूं ना उस चीज को, उतनी मेरी ग्रोथ कम हो जाती है. जितना मैं जजमेंट वाला काम करता हूं ना, मेरी ग्रोथ होती है. That's the magic of getting out of this problem. Everyone is going to take action this week. पक्का बोलो. कोई नहीं लेगा तो बताओ. सब लेंगे? Everyone? Promise? कपिल, उमा, प्रीति? Yes? पद्मजा, दत्ता, श्री, अमरीश, everyone? प्रहलाद, प्रवीण, एल्जा, everyone? You're going to take action? पक्का? 100%? पक्का लेंगे? Insensitive हो जाओ. They will judge you. They will be tired. And one more thing I'll tell you. Judgment कभी ना एक बंदे judge. People who judge, they are never stuck to one person. Today they will judge me. Tomorrow they will judge you. Then they will judge someone else. They will keep on going from one person to the other. And they'll keep on getting tired every day. They're not very happy with that life. That's coming out of jealousy. That's coming out of their own weaknesses. और आज से एक बात और सुन लो. Promise me this, all of you. You will become a non-judgmental person. Promise me. Promise me. If someone in your family is growing, if someone in your family is getting richer, no one is going to judge them. No one is going to get jealous. आप जितना जेलस होगे ना आपको उतना डर लगेगा, आप जितना उनके नेगेटिव सोचोगे ना आपको उतना डर लगेगा. If someone is earning money na, if someone is growing, if someone, be happy for them from today, because the more you will yourself become unjudgmental, non-judgmental, the more strength you will get in your own life to take action. You, if you want to avoid trolls, please don't become a troll yourself. खुद मत बनो troll. If you are yourself a troll, you will always be afraid of troll. You will never find me commenting on other people's ad कि ये तो ऐसा है वैसा है. क्यों करूंगा मैं? Whatever ads I say, I just like them. I put a heart there. Why? Because that gives me strength to run my own. सोच के देखो ना. If I'll troll them, I will be more afraid कि मेरे को भी कोई troll करेगा. So from today onward, stop judging on other people, on their looks, on anything, whatever they are, whatever worse they are doing. Just imagine the beauty that despite every limitation, they are still taking action. कितनी strength है उनके mind में. You know, abhi I was having a conversation at around 8:45 with someone, one of my friends who run our advertisement. One person came to him, one lead. He was a bodybuilder. Bodybuilder, है ना, मतलब प्रोफेशनल जिम ट्रेनर था वो. होता ना ह्यूज बॉडी, लाइक एक्टर्स एंड मॉडल वाली बॉडी, बॉडी बिल्डर था. बट दैट पर्सन हैड अ फियर ऑफ मेकिंग वीडियोस एंड कमिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. कैन यू सी द आयरनी? मतलब सोचो, बॉडी स्ट्रांग है, बॉडी बिल्डर है, मतलब सिक्स पैक एब्स, शोल्डर्स ब्रॉड, बाइसेप्स, बट कैमरे के सामने कभी ऑन नहीं करता, कैमरा ऑफ रहता है. उसको लगता है जज करेंगे लोग. इमेजिन करो. कैन यू इमेजिन? सो स्ट्रांग बॉडी बट वीक माइंड. एंड जस्ट सी पीपल, लाइक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं, नथिंग रिलीजियस और एनीथिंग, जस्ट सी सदगुरु. कोई उनकी क्या सिक्स पैक एब्स है? नो. कोई बहुत स्मार्ट है, कोई हंक है? नॉर्मल पर्सन, नॉर्मल लुकिंग, एवरेज इंडियन. बट देखो, thousands of videos come, doesn't care a damn. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ माइंड. तो माइंड की स्ट्रेंथ को बढ़ाना है आज से. क्रिटिसिज्म इज अ श्योर शॉट थिंग, बट दैट विल लीड यू टूवर्ड्स सक्सेस, दैट विल लीड यू टूवर्ड्स योर ड्रीम्स. डोंट हाइड योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम टूडे. ठीक है? राइट? सो लेट्स कैच अप नेक्स्ट वीक ऑल ऑफ यू. ठीक है? दिस वीक you have to take action on things that you are afraid of. करोगे? स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ बॉडी नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ माइंड चाहिए. एंड नो जजमेंट, प्रैक्टिस नो जजमेंट फॉर 1 week minimum. The moment judgment comes to you, just say, I am not going to judge. Wonderful, this guy is doing amazingly well. For 1 week, practice no judgment. Neither in your office, nor in your society, nor in your relations, neither in social media. Don't judge anyone. And then you will automatically feel people are not judging me also. ठीक है? I'm gonna see you again next week. मिलते हैं मंडे को. ठीक है? Take care guys, all of you. Bye bye. Thank you. See you.